Guys, we're watching the news right now, and it's really a hurricane season today, and it was supposed to be in the weekend. The hurricane season came, and it's thundering and lightning and stuff. So, I don't know. Sorry that my room's a mess. My bed is a mess. My counters is a mess, and like my over here table is a mess. Oh hell no! Watch. 1, 2, 3. That one was little, pretending that I have powers. Thanks, guys. Shayla, I'm making a YouTube video about hurricane. What do you think about this bad weather?
It's
fun. You think it's fun? What, you haven't ate nothing? Okay. What do you think about it, Kitty? What do you think about it? You like it too? The cats love the bad weather, guys. Oh snap. Kitty, move away. There's gonna be lightning. Oh, that sucks. His earphones on. Why do you want that? Oh, to light candles?
Yeah, and like if I need it.
For what? Oh. Oh god, lightning, lightning. Guys, you're about to hear the biggest lightning, biggest thunder. Okay, that one's not that big. You love the fans? Okay guys, so come on, let's go open the... Shut, close the window! Close the window!
El nuevo Jetta Turbo es más grande y mejor.
Guys, it hit right in the front of the building. ¡Ay!
Ese rayo cayó aquí.
Ahí enfrente.
Un rayo.
No. Chill, we're actually having a hurricane. No. It hit right in the floor in front of ours.
Wait, you can see it?
Yeah, Mommy said you can see it hit on the floor. It was loud as heck. Loud as hell.
I'm scared.
Loud as heck. Oh my god. You want to hear it again? Me and you scream? Okay, guys. I'll come back with a part 2. Scary guy. My mom saw it right there in the kitchen. Guys, this is the scary. I thought you said it was fun, Shayla. Okay, guys. Like, oh. Guys, I'm just gonna go. Part 2's coming up. Hurricane season. Part 2, guys. Be back. Bye. This is scary.